Alrighty. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be building the linkage arm. This is what links the front wheel to the back wheel. Please open a new IPT and start a 2D sketch. XY plane, you should be pretty used to this by now. We're going to make a circle. Doesn't actually matter where you make it. But be sure that its diameter is 0.1875 times 2, which in other words, 0.375. But as you can see, they're a little weird over here. So again, it's the same thing. It's just 0.375. And once you get that, you have two circles. That's good. Now, please be sure that you dimension the center points of the circle apart from each other by a value of 3.5 inches. Good. Now you're going to have to create a line. It needs to be a straight line. Oops, something went wrong. Make sure it doesn't come off the center. It needs to be from an upper point to an upper point, preferably like a straight line. Like so. It can be hard, might take a few tries, don't worry. And then you're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Good. Now you have something that looks, well, don't really know how to describe this, but like so. And you're going to make sure that those 2 points are 0.25 apart from each other. Looks like we got it right, but you always want to be sure. Now you need to make sure that this, each center point to the top is 0.125, just to make sure that it's exactly in the middle. With that done, you're actually going to trim the interior part of each circle, and you're going to finish your sketch. You're going to extrude it by a value of, let's see, 0.125 inches, and you're going to create a new sketch on the front. And you're going to be creating two circles in the center of each one of these previous circles. It's going to have a diameter of 0.128. So just go ahead and either type in 0.128 or make it, click on dimension and make it 0.128. It works either way. And we're going to use this little circular constraint up here to make sure it's in concentric, it's in the middle. You're going to click on the inner circle and the outer circle, and that'll put it directly in the middle. So don't worry if you missed. And then you're going to extrude those both actually inwards, not outwards. And it's through all, doesn't really matter. You could set a huge value, but basically just make sure it goes all through. And congratulations, you made the linkage arm. Also, congratulations on being the first class to have a video on this. Yay.